In today's video, I will walk you through how to restore an old Shopify store. To begin, go to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see your store name displayed. If you have multiple stores connected to your account, click on the store name. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options related to your stores. From the drop-down menu, select All Stores. This will take you to a page where all stores associated with your account are displayed in one place. After arriving on the All Stores page, look for the tabs that organize your stores. You should see both active and inactive tabs available. Since you're restoring an old store, click on the Inactive tab. This section contains stores that are currently inactive and no longer operating under an active subscription. Once you're inside the Inactive tab, review the list of stores displayed on the screen. Locate the specific store that you want to restore. When you find the correct store, click on it to continue. Shopify will then begin guiding you through the reactivation process. As part of the restoration process, you'll be asked to choose a new Shopify plan. Review the available plans shown on the screen and select the one you want to use for the store moving forward. After selecting your preferred plan, continue to the next step. Shopify will then ask you to provide payment information required for the selected subscription. Carefully enter the requested payment details and review the information before proceeding. Make sure everything is entered correctly so the activation process can continue without interruption. Once your payment information has been submitted, continue through the remaining prompts shown on the screen. Shopify will process the reactivation request and begin restoring your store. After the process is completed, your previously inactive store will return to active status. You'll once again be able to access and manage the store from your Shopify account. At this point, you can return to your dashboard and continue working with the store as normal. Your products, collections, and customer order information will be available through the restored store. To quickly recap, click your store name, select All Stores, open the Inactive tab, choose the store you want to restore, select a new plan, enter your payment details, and complete the prompts provided by Shopify. Once those steps are finished, your old Shopify store will be restored and active again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully restored an old Shopify store and returned it to active status. Thank you for watching.